Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy M23 and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. See that, open settings application, and in the first step we must activate our develop mode. To do it, scroll down and choose about phone, where we tap on software information and their build number. We must tap sometimes to activate it, and now we are developer mode. In develop mode we can go back and choose general management, where we have our new additional selection. There we have new additional selection, developer option. We tap there and in it memory, and now we can read information about our available random access memory. That now we used 2.3 gigabytes from our total 4 gigabytes, and we have 67 point of usage, and we have available 1.1 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.